guys, welcome back to another video, and today this one's going to be a little bit of a different story slash video. So if you don't know me, I do not do that, but yeah. I'm trying to get that. Right, we're just gonna have to roll with the fringe in the face because it's just gonna happen. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you certain things that you can use in a school or out in public. So, in a school, if your teacher does not like loud noises or anything, you can play with this. So, all you do is just put it, either one in a bag, or I have one in like a balloon. I forgot where I put it. I'll put it somewhere. But just grab a little bit and you can just play with it under the table. And that can help. The next thing that you can play with is, let me get this out because I've got loads of like toys that you can play with. Is these. So it's got, this one's got a bath bomb in, but you might like a different one, but got some with bath bombs, some with random stuff in, but they're really good. This would be good for like outside, so it's just like a thing where you can just mix it up or get someone else to mix it up and just solve it. And it's like really good, and it's really good for photography. This would be good for in class, just because it's like so quiet. And it's just really quite unsatisfying. Another thing for like, this one could be good for outside, just walking or anything, or in class, is these bracelets. They just go on your wrist. It comes apart like that, and then you can just attach it, and you've got like a little zipper on your wrist. You can get these off Amazon, but it's just like a putty thing, and it's like, my one's just a little bit hard, but like it's still good. This one is flavoured or scented lavender. And if you go on Amazon and type in that, so that's a O, some O, her, D or B, don't know which one. I get really struggled with them. Or her, it will come up with them and different ones. Next thing, most of these are off Amazon, so I'll tell you which ones are off Amazon at the end. Bike chains, love them. They're also like small, but I wouldn't recommend taking them to the beach because it's metal, and if it gets near water, it will rust, and I don't want your fidget toys to rust. Stress balls for just like out and about. They're really good because, frankly, it just looks like a normal ball, like little tennis ball squishy thing. So it just is really convenient. Fidget spinners are normally banned in like schools, so I wouldn't recommend, because frankly you can do some really bad harm with it. For school, marble and mesh, amazing. It's just like really satisfying. They're good for like outside as well. I would not recommend these for school because of the noise you can distract other people. These I would not recommend for school because of the loud noise again, but they're really good to be honest. By the way, if you get these, it comes with the one I showed you. So with like loads of them in, so you get your money's worth. I think they're only like £2.50, something like that. I would not recommend shoe. Actually, yeah, shoe necklaces are really good for outside. So shoe necklaces are really good for outside. Mostly because they can go around you. So shoe necklaces are really good for outside because they can just go around your neck. And it just looks like jewelry. So if you need these, all you need to do is type on Amazon jewelry. Chew jewelry. That makes no sense. Chew jewelry. It'll come up if you say chew jewelry. Pea pods. They're like really good for like school because they're like really quiet. Trying to find the monkey noodles. They're amazing. You can just play with them in your hand, and they're quiet. Just don't kill anyone with them. These, same thing. I just wouldn't recommend this one because it's like so loud. But you can have it for outside or something. Next thing, these little. No. This little bear is good for like in the house and stuff, but I would use it for like outside of school because of the noise. But if you get like taxis and stuff, then yes, use it because frankly, it's a really cool tool. Homemade fidgets. This is a homemade fidget. I would not recommend this fidget that I've made for school or college because it's loud. You're gonna distract people. They're gonna get annoyed with you, and frankly, that's not cool. These little things, these are cool. So it does come blown up, but frankly, one of my friends has kind of made it gone flat.